Number 1. Minimizing all windows. Sometimes it happens that you have open too many apps and need to use another one hidden behind all those windows on your desktop. You don't need to minimize them all one by one. You can minimize all of them at once by pushing the Windows key plus M. Number 2. Split screen between two apps. Want to see a magic trick? Try this. Open one app that you need for your work and press the Windows key plus left arrow, then open another app and click the Windows key plus right arrow. Now two windows are sharing your screen. Number 3. Opening Windows Explorer. Not all your apps need to be on hand all the time for you to work faster. Some of them are standard programs built into your computer, and there's a quick and convenient way to access them by pressing the Windows key plus E. Opens the File Manager window on your PC. Number 4. Shifting from one app to another. For shifting from one app to another and to manage them on your desktop using hotkeys, then press Alt plus Tab so it will show you all the apps currently running on your PC. Number 5. Shifting from one app to another in a stylish way. For shifting from one app to another in a stylish way and to manage them on your desktop using hotkeys, then press Windows key plus Tab so it will show you all the apps currently running on your PC in a stylish way. Number 6. Minimizing all windows except a current one. Sometimes it happens that you have opened too many apps and want to minimize all of them except the current window or software. So just press Windows key plus Home key. Number 7. Opening System Properties. Now you can easily open System Properties by pressing Windows key plus /break key. Number 8. Opening Task Manager. Now it will be more easier for you to open Task Manager by just pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key. Number 9. Creating a new folder. You can easily create a new folder by just pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus N key. Number 10. Peek at your desktop. You can easily peek at your desktop by just pressing the Windows key plus space bar.